There is no nobility in poverty. I have been a rich man and I have been a poor man, and I choose rich every fucking time.
Hey guys, welcome again to this channel. So this video is absolutely about how to 10x your cold calling techniques by using simple 3 to 4 tips which can absolutely valuable in your cold calling methods. So yeah, please let's get started with the video. The number one is tonality. So absolutely 80% of your sales calls is based on your tonality, how you speak, in which tone, whether it's in a stressful tone, whether it's in a concerned tone, whether it's in a playful tone. So 80% of your tonality works, and it doesn't sound lets you like scripted. So please focus and improve your tonality while making sales call, and as you can sound more natural, your tonality sounds more natural to the sales call, to the prospects. So you'll be absolutely feeling like, if you will absolutely not feeling like a robot, and you can actually make a humanly and conversational sales method. Number two is being confident. So absolutely, when you are trying to go on a sales call, be absolutely confident with your pitch, with your tonality, with your script, and absolutely crush the sales game. And you can also pre-practice your sales call before going to the actually sales call. And being confident and having a correct posture, being well dressed, is the number one key to be very confident and just crush the game of sales. The third one is building your introducing a frame or building your rapport. So while starting your call, you can practice multiple times in front of the mirror as per your building rapport, whichever script you are going through. Practice more and more in front of the mirror, like talking to yourself as a prospect and a salesman is talking. So building rapport is the most important part in sales, and it can actually just within a few seconds it can give you a shot in whether the sales will go or not, or it will continue into a flow matter or not. So building rapport absolutely plays a crucial role in that. The fourth one I would love to elaborate is practice multiple times. Go through your sales training as much as time, up to 100 times, no matter what. You can practice until it sounds particularly so conversational and doesn't sound scripted or robotic. So practice your script as much as times you can. That will absolutely improve your sales call and generate you lots of commission. If you are loving my videos, please like, share and subscribe, and comment. Do comment on this channel, so it will be very helpful for me to improve my skills, to improve my which topic should I suggest or introduce to you next on sales or any other business opportunity.